Noon. Right now it's about 1:20 p.m. and today is 2nd of April 2018. So how are you? Today is the first day of new financial year. How are you doing? What are your determination for this upcoming year? I'm sure you are all determined to really do good in stock market and earn good money. If it is so, I believe it's important for you to learn, and as the new financial year is starting, tomorrow or maybe the day after, it's going to be my 300th video. And I have really worked hard to make these 300 videos. And I'm now starting absolutely a fresh series of videos, where definitely I'll be talking about Nifty, where I'll definitely talk about some stocks, but I will be fine tuning your technical indicators. So I'm not going to give you basics of any technical indicator. I'll give you little advanced level. So we're going to start from there, and really I'm hoping that you all have good understanding of the market and you earn good money in the market. And I'm committed to my channel, and I'm really committed to teaching. That is my one promise to you all, that last year I have trained about 900 members, and this year I plan at least 5,000 members. I will do my level best, training you guys and making you, thorough in the stock market. So I don't know how many of you been following me. So before I go on, I have some, announcements to make. So you people have joined this, Stock Pro. I'll tell you, the channel you are joining right now is basically here, Stock Pro training, right? I would request you all to please switch over to Stock Pro, right? This is my channel now, and please join this channel ASAP. And you are getting, notice for this channel over here. This, like see here, you have to join this particular channel ASAP. Why? Because we will be shortly closing this particular channel. So my request to you is join the original Stock Pro channel. So see here, I mean, of course, I have posted, trade here only. Today I posted a trade on Nifty, and I said buy Nifty at 67, stop loss 55, target 10 points. So look at it. Nifty started from there, it is at 72 rupees. Even I have created my positions. I have bought certain amount of Nifty. I have 225 quantity, and see, this is my profit. So I want, as I keep telling always, and I'm telling you today again, that you just need to trade in one stock, one particular index, that is Nifty. It has got the highest liquidity, and you just need to understand one stock, one index to understand the entire market. And every day you mint money. Now, so as I was telling you that my 300th video tomorrow or the day after, we are coming with absolutely fresh courses, absolutely dynamic team, and we have good, fresh courses for you. Right now, we are not taking any registrations, but we are coming up with a battery of courses. It's just not one course that we had last time. We are coming up with battery of courses, and out of them, one is just going to be all about Nifty. How to trade in Nifty, how do you get money, how do you earn money every single day in Nifty. That is what I will be teaching, right? I will be concentrating about. And I would say, as I keep saying always, that trade in Nifty, invest in stocks. So today, this is my, let me just explain you about Nifty, how Nifty went and what happened. I'm sure you have been following me on the YouTube. So I said that, you buy it, if you didn't get it at 67, buy it at 68 rupees. And then I was guiding you all throughout that if Nifty doesn't cross R1, then you will exit the trade. Then Nifty started moving up. It crossed its morning range with volumes. It first crossed its barrier, which was the R1 with volumes. The moment it crossed R1 with volumes, we shifted our stop loss. And then it crossed its morning range with volumes. Now Nifty looks to me in a positive zone. Now Nifty looks to me a little on the positive zone. But my worries have not gone away about Nifty. Of course, intraday profit we are having. But if you ask me about Nifty, I'm not absolutely out of worry. And I'll give you the reasons. This is Nifty, right? So what you're going to see, go to Nifty's one-day graph, right? Look at Nifty's one-day graph. You will have absolute clarity. So see here, let me make it a little smaller. So Nifty has a lot of resistances on its head, right? The first resistance that it has is the 200 EMA, where it stands right now, right? Another 5-10 points, and it has 200 EMA, resistance. If Nifty crosses that with volume, then the next resistance it has it at 10,197, right? And if Nifty crosses then it has a good run up, right? So my worry remains, till Nifty has, demolishes these boundaries with volumes. If Nifty today closes above 10,200, which I'm talking about in cash, expect a good run up, for the next couple of days or 3 days or 4 days. We can expect a good run up coming up in Nifty, right? So hope for the best. I mean, these trades, what I'm telling you, are basically intraday trades. I'm going to trade it today. I'm not going to carry it forward. I'm going to just be trading intraday. And let's see. I mean, I'm just expecting Nifty to demolish all its boundaries that are obstructing its, way in the movement upward. So I told you, what are the boundaries that it has? If you look into the cash, you see just 200 moving above its head. This is Nifty 50, and if you see here, I think it has changed. No, this is what we have, huh? So this is where we have the barrier. You can see this 200 moving average. If Nifty demolishes this boundary with volumes, right, which is right here, right now, and sustain itself, and then it demolished the boundary of 10,197 in cash and closes above that today, then tomorrow will be in the upward direction. That's what I believe. But I'm not going to carry forward my positions. That is also something I'm telling you. Now, what I want to show you today, I gave one trade on my new channel, which is Pro, here, which is HDFC Life. If you see, I gave it at buy at 460 rupees. I want to show you where is it right now. Right, I want to show you where is HDFC Life right now, 482. Right, how much is the profit in today's one day? How much is the profit? Just look at it's gone up by 6%, 6.5% up one day. I want to explain you with the help of RSI how powerful, and I want to show you how powerful is RSI. So let me plot RSI and show it to you. I want to show you how beautifully it moved, right? So here is HDFC Bank, and I want to show you how this graph actually moved. This is the graph. Now see here, RSI has made double bottom. Can you see? And I'm 100% sure you know my modified setting. What are my modified setting? I'm sure many people are copying it, but these are the nobody talked about it, about say from here about a year back or a year and a half back. Nobody talked about these modified settings. They have been introduced by me. So overbought for me is 60, oversold for me is 40. Now these are my modified boundaries for RSI. Now see, whenever RSI is 40 and 60, it virtually does nothing. The stock is nothing. But the moment RSI has made a double bottom. Can you see RSI has made a double bottom? And not only that, the stock also has made a double bottom. See here. This is how the stock made double bottom, right? And this is how the RSI made double bottom, right? And this made me realize that the stock has, and not only that, stock has cleared all its boundaries. yesterday or the last trading session with volumes. And that is how the moment market opened today, I gave this stock, which is HDFC Life, right? So what I'm saying, that find out such stocks and trade in them. RSI is a very powerful tool. I want to show you one more stock with respect to. So let me just once again explain you. Suppose a stock goes into, like, look into the stock itself, right? This is basically HDFC Life. So at this point, when it goes closer to 80, 85, see here, when it reaches to 85, you can understand that this is overbought zone, right? See here, the stock is in, overbought zone, and see after that the stock has come down. So 85, and what is my time frame here? Please remember, the time frame is 1 day. My time frame is 1 day. So the stock has to be over in the overbought zone in 1 day time frame. Then be assured that the stock will come down. Similarly, if the stock is in oversold zone, right, and it is somewhere around 25 or below 20, it is going to be a very good opportunity for one to create position into it, right? So that's one stock. And another stock that I was analyzing today was, you know HEG. I want to show you how HEG. Look at HEG here. RSI, although the stock has been going horizontal for quite some time, but RSI is also taking a good support on 60, right? Line of 60, which is the overbought line. And it's not falling below it. It's not going below it. Means it's showing the strength. So I want you to fine tune yourself with respect to RSI. RSI will make you and protect you from a lot and lot of wrong trades. So I have told you also, if you want to trade in Nifty, always look in 15 minutes whether the RSI, I mean the if you want to trade in 15 minutes, then you have to look into whether the RSI has gone above 40 or above 60 or not, right? Similarly, if you want to sell, please remember that similarly it's coming from 60 to 40 or not, right? So very important tool. Now suppose, like, I want to show you here, this is how Nifty is, right? Now Nifty has crossed after a long time. See, for so many hours it was horizontal, nothing happening. Right now it has crossed and gone above 60, right now it's about 62.48, and now Nifty is looking to me pretty much positive. So analyze RSI. If you want to analyze about Nifty, I analyze Nifty's RSI in all the time frames. I mean, whether it is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or it is 1 day. Even I analyze it sometime in 1 week also. So Nifty's, I mean, RSI is a very important tool, right? So keep fine-tuning yourself. Like sometimes you have to find out your own strategy about various other things, and keep finding it out by. And I would also say that really take care of when the stock is in overbought and oversold zone, right? Suppose, let's say, let me take up another point where I could see Nifty 50. This is Nifty 50. You can see various times when it has never gone into a time zone. See here, it is RSI is at about 75, and see here Nifty has come down, right? Similarly, even here Nifty is in overbought zone for quite some time. Look at here, this particular part, and after Nifty has come down, right? So what I'm trying to tell you here is that RSI is a very important point, right? Important criteria, very important momentum oscillator, right? It shows the strength in the index, right? And if you combine it with MACD, it becomes a powerful tool. It becomes a very powerful tool. So guys, what I'm telling you, we're coming up just a program on Nifty, right? Like only and only Nifty that we will be teaching you. And I'm telling you, you don't need to filter 100 stocks. You don't need to do 100 things. You just need to monitor one stock. Just monitor one index, which is Nifty, and you will get good money out of it. So the stocks that I had on my radar today was, of course, I did not trade in them because I wasn't sure about, how will be strength, but they were definitely on my radar and my members' radar. One of them is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Right, my reason for not trading into this was its first candle was huge, very, very huge, and Nifty was doing nothing. Right, so I did not enter into this particular stock. Another stock that I want to show you here is uh, uh, which was on my radar is Mindtree. Look at Mindtree on up today. Mindtree has shown a beautiful upward journey today. A really, really beautiful upward journey today. If you see its 15 minutes graph, you will see how beautifully it has gone up. It has been just slowly and gradually going up, heading up, right? And then another stock that I had on my radar was, of course, definitely HDFC Life was on my radar. It started from, it is up by about 6.5%, right? HDFC Life was on my radar and it has given a beautiful run up. Another stock that I had on my radar was 63 Moon, right? 63 Moon also has given a beautiful run up, right? So those who have taken Heritage Food, because I suggested they don't need to worry. I'm saying today it has shown the strength. And if Nifty is positive today onwards, then I'm 100% sure we will be able to get good profits. Like, did you see today how Shankara has bounced back? Right? How Shankara has bounced back. So don't worry about it. I mean, I'm so dead sure about the stocks that I analyze and give it to you, because it's not that I'm gambling with your money. I'm very, very aware, that so many people trust my words and so many people take trades based on that. And the reason is also I trade along with you. I only want to suggest you, if you want to trust somebody, trust only that person who shows you their own trades. If they are not trading with you, it just simply means you don't need to trust them. Trust only that person who shows you the trade, who trades along with you, who exposes money with along with you. Person exposes their own money itself. I can show you the trades that I gave you. I buy myself too, like whether it is HEG or Heritage Food or CUB. These are the trades I have also entered. Similarly, I gave Nifty and I am in Nifty myself too, right? And my target is about to be there hit. I mean, I will be hitting my target soon. So this is the beauty of learning and trading in the market with understanding, right? Please, my request in this financial year, I want to promise from you people that you will not gamble in the market, right? Please respect your, money that you have earned with hard work. Please do not expose your money to the market if you don't understand how to enter, how to exit. I'm showing you, this is my trade today. These are my trade today, HDFC Life, and I'm showing you Nifty trade. This I've given on the open forum, right? You can analyze how beautifully they have gone. Such a beautiful trade they are. And not only me, my members, almost all of them are trading in a similar fashion. So wait for tomorrow, wait for a lot of new, announcements, and definitely contact my team and be ready for a brand new team and brand new courses and brand new, dynamic team tomorrow or the day after onwards. So with this, I want to sign off and I want to tell you that you have to watch out for RSI. RSI is a very, very powerful technique and tool, right? RSI is a very powerful tool. If you understand it, you will be able to create good trades. So another trade that I have given on the open forum was 𝐿𝐻. 𝐿𝐻 itself is up by good about 10 to 12% or 8%, something like that. 8 or 7 or 8% it's up, right? All the stocks that I have given, have shown a beautiful strength today. Beautiful strength. So guys, enjoy. Do good trades. Even since morning, I've been, watching the Fortis. Fortis also, I wanted to create a position, but somehow I didn't feel my RSI didn't give me correct, indication, and that's the reason I did not enter into it, right? And see, my today's trade is basically in Nifty only, and I'm happy that all the members who trade along with me have also got good profit. So guys, good day, enjoy, but trade in the right direction and trade only when you understand about the market. Please, please, please do not gamble with your money. And I'm going to teach you. I take that responsibility every day. Every day I will make powerful videos for you. Today's video is on the powerful indicator of RSI. So master RSI, I'm going to take a step further in RSI tomorrow, right? I'm going to build up RSI for next couple of days or 3 days until you understand RSI completely. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow again, but I want to resolve from you guys that you will not gamble in the market. You will learn and you will earn only when you understand correct way of marketing. And it's not going to be, now we are going to be making it very, very cost effective so that you can all really be able to understand, how to trade in the market with correctly. So with this, I'm signing off. Like, see here, this is how it is. And what was my investment? You can see my returns are about 13%. Not bad for a day. If you analyze correctly, in a day, it's not a bad return. 10 to 12% is a good return. And I do this along with you guys every single day. So learn about the market and trade with, resolutely trade confidence. With this, I'm signing off. I'll see you tomorrow again, but with a renewed resolve, with a renewed determination, with the resolve that you will learn about the market. Bye bye. Good day.